Hey guys, I'm Ashlyn, and welcome to my next edition of my football video series. Today I compiled a list of football phrases that sound sexual or dirty but aren't really sexual or dirty. So, let's get started. He trusts his own skills so much, sometimes he tries to squeeze it into too tight a spot. Just shove it right in that seam. It's all about the penetration. That's the second time he's gone all the way tonight. Sometimes you just have to pound it in there. It's all about a quest for the ball. The straight man just couldn't get to the ball in time. He pump fakes and then he puts one where only the receiver could get to it. The way this front four penetrates. He's got the best hands in the NFL. You have to fight for every inch. He's desperately looking to score. The way they squeeze that tight end in there. Keep him away from the ball. When you put 8 men in the box against these guys, you're going to run into problems. The things they can stuff into that kind of space is amazing. And he scores on the end around. He's going deep, and it popped right out. He thought he got it off, but it came right back in his face. And they get him from behind. And another illegal block in the back. That's the first illegal touching of the night. They sure are scoring easy tonight. When you're under a 300-pound center, that's bound to happen. And the backfield is in motion. He just beats his man to the ball. The slot man just couldn't get there in time. I'm sure he'll be coming out early tonight. He sees the hole and he gets right up in there. He can just be so explosive when he puts his mind to it. It just squirted right out of there. When there's a pile of 10 or 11 guys sweaty, you just don't want to be on the bottom. Yeah, he came out ready to play tonight. Sometimes you just have to stay in one position. Oh, he had a guy wide open. That is one amazing sack. He is regarded as the best player to ever play that position. He has the best hands in the business. There's no way they're going to keep him out of there. They're just feeling one another out. He could go all the way. He may be a tight end, but he plays like a wide receiver. He came from his blind side and nailed him from behind. He's off to the sidelines for a quick blow. It's a game of inches. That hole was so big you could drive a truck through it. When you get down here, you need to pound it in. He goes deep. And number 50. He found the hole and exploded right through it. So there you have it. 50 terms, 50 football terms that sound sexual or dirty but really aren't. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any other ones that I should add. This stuff is entertaining, so entertain me. Thanks, guys.